Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add digital signatures to PDFs using WPS PDF easily. Whether you're signing an important contract, filling out forms, or need to add your signature to a document, this process is quick, seamless, and super beginner-friendly. If you don't already have WPS PDF, no worries. I've included a link in the description below where you can download it for free. Go ahead and grab it so you can follow along. Let's get started. Once you've opened WPS PDF, load up the document you want to sign by selecting the PDF editor and opening your file. With your document ready, head over to the Protect tab in the top menu. This is where all the magic happens. From there, you'll see an option to sign document or add digital signature. Click that and you're ready to place your signature. Now, just click anywhere on the document where you want your signature to appear. A pop-up will give you a few options. You can draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen, upload an image of your signature if you already have one saved, or even type it out and choose a font that mimics handwriting. It's super flexible, so pick whichever method works best for you. Once your signature is in place, you can adjust its size and position to make sure it looks just right. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your work. Just hit Save As, choose where you want to save the file, and you're all set. Adding a digital signature with WPS PDF is that simple. No printing, no scanning, no hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who may need it. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our 90-second tech newsletter. It's packed with quick, easy-to-digest tech tips, tutorials, and tools to help you stay ahead in the digital world. The link to sign up is in the description below, so check it out. If you found this video helpful, check out our next video on how to create stunning presentations in WPS Office for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.